Hello my friends, another video from my garage, just a short one this one. Finally yesterday the center stand for the KTM 790 Adv R arrived. It's an original KTM part. And now I hope you're sitting still because I ordered that in October, end of October last year from a local dealer, and KTM didn't deliver it until this week. So yesterday it was finally ready for pickup. Weight is about 1.8 kilos, 1.7 for the stand itself and a little bit for the small metal parts. There are two springs on the right hand side which pull it up. Actually a very clever design. I will show you how that is done in a picture. You don't need these strong pull tools for the springs, the spring hooks, but they're simply a metal plate. You put the springs in, and the screw comes from the other side, which is long enough that you can insert it before the springs are even tightened, and then you just tighten the screw, and that will tighten, pull the metal plate towards the screw, towards the center stand, and will tighten the springs. So very simple, very effective. However, I had some problems getting the bushings into the center stand, which go in there with some grease. I need some slight force for that. And also some of the threads, or one of the threads for the rubber stopper, I needed to take a screw and screw that one in with a bit of force first, because I guess there was some paint inside, so I couldn't screw that in by hand as it was supposed to be. Otherwise, mounting time about an hour, something like that I spent here. I put a bit of Loctite on all the screws, and I need to get my torque wrench also to torque these 4 screws, 2 on every side, which hold the foot pegs back to 45 Newton meters. But let me show how easy it is to get the bike up and down. So let's put it down. What I'm missing here a little bit is the passenger grips, the handles here, which I have removed so that my Moto R80 fits nicer. But just put the foot on here and you see the bike already stands quite nicely. And then just give it a light pull. Oops, and it's up there. Once again, back, oops, come down. Secret is to push down and pull up at the same time. So basically your body weight goes on the center stand and then you pull with a straight arm up, grabbing it here on the passenger foot peg, and the bike easily jumps up. Thank you KTM. Finally, after half a year, it's much easier to clean the chain or to lubricate the chain. And soon I need to also replace the back tire. So the wheel is about 2 fingers, 5 centimeters above ground. So that makes tire changing, wheel changing much easier. Okay, I think now I need a shower. Thank you.